Hello students, in this video we shall discuss question number 4 of exercise 7.6. Fill in the boxes. The first one is blank box minus 5 over 8 equals to 1 over 4. To solve this, we are going to follow a small rule. Let me show you with natural numbers how it works first. Say for example, I have a blank box minus 3 equals to 2. I need to fill this box with a number from which when 3 is subtracted, I get 2. So if I calculate mentally, obviously this is going to be 5. 5 minus 3 gives me 2. But then how did I get it? So what we can do is, there's a rule that we can follow that to find out this blank box, what we can do is move this number 3 to the other side of the equal sign. So 2 and 3 here, and when we are changing the side, the sign also changes. So 2 plus 3. Here before 3 it's a minus sign. As 3 changes the side, it becomes plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is the answer that we got. Let's try one more example. Say there's a blank box plus 3 equals to 7. Now to find out what number should be added to 3 to get 7. Now we know that if I add 4, 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Now how do we calculate this? Blank box. Move this 3 on the other side. So this would be 7 and 3, right? And this plus sign becomes a minus sign. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Okay, let's try one more example. Say I have 8 minus blank box equals to 2. So now to find out the number that is to be filled in this black box, what we can do is, let's calculate mentally first. Let's calculate mentally first. 8 minus some number gives me 2. So it's a small number, so we know that it's 8 minus 6, which gives me 2. So how can I get 6 using this rule? What we can do is move this box to the right hand side and 2 to the left hand side. So to do this, 8, I'll show you step by step. Actually, we can do it in one step. For now, I'll just show you step by step. 2, blank box moves to the other side. So 2 plus, because here we got a minus sign. So this becomes plus. And then shift this 2 to the other side of the equal sign. Before 2, there is no sign. So that means it's a positive number, right? Because we know that 2 and positive 2 is the same thing. So here it becomes 8 minus 2 equals to blank box. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So that is the answer, right? This is our answer. So all you need to know is that whenever the number is changing side, it is moving to the left or the right of the equal sign, also change the sign while doing so. Okay, now let's see how we can solve our problem using this rule. Blank box minus 5 over 8 equals to 1 by 4. So I'm going to shift this number here on the right hand side. So this would be blank box equals to, there's a minus sign, so it will become 5 by 8. Sorry, it's not 5 by 8. First we'll write whatever is there already. So 1 by 4 and minus becomes plus, plus 5 over 8. Now we need to add these two fractions. So take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 8 would be 2 times 2, 4. 2 4s are 8. 1, 2 2s are 4. 1, 1. So multiply all these numbers. So LCM is 2 times 2 times 2, 8. Okay, so one fraction already has 8. as a denominator. The first fraction we can convert it by multiplying 2. I multiply 2 and 2. So this would become 2 over 8 plus 5 over 8. Now it has become like fractions. So I can add the numerators. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 over 8 is the required answer. So what we did is we moved the fraction 5 by 8 to the other side, and in doing so we changed the sign also. Minus becomes plus, and then we added it up using our LCM thing, right? Let's do the next question. Blank box minus 1 over 5 equals to 1 by 2. So here again, the same thing we're going to do. Move this fraction to the other side of the equal sign. So it's 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we write as it is. Minus 1 by 5 becomes plus 1 by 5. So take the LCM of 2 and 5. 2 ones are 2 and 5 ones are 5. So LCM is going to be 2 times 5, which is 10. Now we have to convert these two into like fractions. So if I do 1 by 2 into 5, this becomes 5 by 10, and 1 by 5 times 2, this becomes 2 by 10. So basically we are adding 5 by 10 plus 2 by 10. This equals to 7 by 10. So this is the required answer. Okay, now the last one. 1 by 2 minus blank box equals to 1 by 6. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to shift this blank box to the right hand side and 1 by 6 to the left hand side. We can do this in one step, but I'll just for this question I'll show you step by step. So what we're doing is half equals to 1 by 6, and it's minus blank box, so this becomes plus the blank box. Okay, and then the next step what you can do is half 1 by 6, I'm shifting to the other side, and as I showed you in the example here, that when 2 is moving to the left hand side, there is no sign before 2, so we take it as a positive sign when there is no sign. Similarly here, 1 by 6, it will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, and that equals to my blank box. Now let's find out the LCM of 2 and 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 3 1, 3 ones are 3. So LCM is 2 times 3, which is 6. This already has a 6. Now we need to convert 1 by 2. So this would be 3, 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay. So it's 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6 equals to the blank box. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 6. So my answer is 2 by 6, or if I simplify this, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So 1 by 3. So I can write here either 2 by 6 or I can write 1 by 3. Both the answers are correct. I hope this is clear to all. Thank you.